Verifying your email is very simple and straightforward. All you need is just click on verify new sender here. If you are verifying email address, click on verify email address. And if you are verifying domain, because it's very important. For example, my domain is ministryofwealthcreation.com. I also have another domain that says relationshipexperts.com. I have verified both, and I use email Octopus for both of them to reach out to my subscribers. Now, to verify your email address, you're going to click on verify email, type in the email address you want to verify. For example, if you have created an email with your domain, so type that email here and click on verify. So they will send you a verification link to that email to be sure that you are the owner of that email address. So log into your email address and click on verify or activate or whatever it is they ask you to do right there in your email. So after you have done that, you will come back here and you will see this marked verified here. If it is not verified, you're going to see pending as the status of that email. But when you're verifying your domain, is a different case entirely, because you need to follow some processes. Now, just type in your domain here, then you click on verify. You click on verify button here, verify. Now, here is what you need to do. You will have to gain access to the DNS settings of your hosting company. So that is why for those people hosting their domain through another person, so you're going to get in touch with that person or the hosting company to help you complete the verification process. For example, if I want to verify temitokpeowokole.com, https hold on, I need to see if I need to add https. Oh, okay, I don't need to add, so I'll just type in the domain like that. So I'll just say temitokpeowokole.com. So that's another domain that I have in my name, so I'll be using this for my personal portfolio. So I will click on verify. So you can see it's going to say pending, and it's going to ask me to complete verification. But before I click this complete verification button, so you can see these DNS records here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the text record. The first 10, they are C names, and the one here is the text record. So all these, you don't need to bother yourself about understanding these codes, because they are the codes that will be registered with your domain hosting company, so that when they register all these under your domain in the hosting account, so whatever email you send to your subscribers will drop directly into their inbox, and it will be able to display your domain name as the original sender, so that it gives you more credibility. It helps people or your subscribers to understand you better, to know that you are trustworthy, that your company is real or your brand is real, because it's going to be showing your email address, it's going to be showing your company name or your domain name. Unlike if you don't verify your domain and your email address, it will just be showing some strange codes, and whoever is receiving email from you will think that the email is coming from a scammer or whatever. So that's why you need to get your domain verified. So what you need to do is very simple. You are going to open um, your notepad, simply open a notepad and type and copy and paste each of these records. They have made this, they have simplified everything for you. Simply click for the first one here, C name. This is C name here. So you don't need to highlight to copy. No. Simply click on copy. This copy is for this. This copy here on the right hand side is for this one. This is the C name, this is the name, and this is the value for this name. So what you do is type C name colon, then come here, copy, and go to your notepad and paste it in front of the C name so that it will know this is the name for the C name. Then come here, copy the value, and go to your notepad and type value colon and paste whatever it is that you copied. After you're done with the first line, then go to the next row, CNAME, type CNAME again in your notepad, and come here, copy the value, copy the name, copy the name, go and paste it, then type value again in your notepad and come here to copy the value for this CNAME using this copy link. Is there already, so you see it, just copy it and paste. Repeat the same thing until you have copied all the 5 C names and their respective values. You simply use the copy link they provided here. So you don't need to highlight. If you highlight and copy everything, it won't work. Simply use the copy button here and here for each row. When you are done with the C name, repeat the same process for text. Type txt colon, then come here and copy. That is actually for your domain name. Click on copy and paste it. Then here is the value. Type value colon, then click on copy and paste it in your notepad. Now that you have everything in your notepad, what you need to do is copy everything or send the notepad to whoever is in charge of your hosting account, whoever that is helping you to host your domain name. So send the details to such person and tell them to help you update the DNS record for your domain, that you want your domain to be verified by email Octopus. If you understand, if you do this rightly, it's going to come here. You're going to come here and see each of these rows checked. You see here is showing a clock symbol, a word clock symbol here in each row. So by the time you get your domain verified, by the time your hosting company has updated your DNS records and the text record and all that, each of these will be marked, checked, that is, it has been recognized that your hosting company has already updated your DNS record. So you're going to wait for about 24 hours, that is one full day. Sometimes it may take 2 days depending on your location. In my own case, it took me just like 30 minutes or 1 hour to get it verified. So you will wait for them and you are going to come back here. It will change from pending to verified. So because I am hosting temitopeugoli.com with Namecheap, so I will do the updating myself because I have access to my hosting account. So all I need is just go to my domain name in my hosting account and copy and paste those DNS records and text records, and they have respective values. After doing that, I will click on complete verification. Then here we change to verified. So that is it. That is how to go about verifying your domain name and your email address. So you can do this repeatedly for as many domains as possible that you want to verify. So it's very important. So that is, I will be stopping here for now, and I will continue in my next video on how to set up your list, your campaigns, and how to use your templates and all that. So stick around and keep watching my videos. Subscribe to my channel so that you hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Is very important because this video is going to be in series, so I wouldn't want you to miss any of the series of my videos. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.